This is TheHelpscreen and this is how to fix Revolut app won't let me in. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial. So guys, today I'm gonna show you 3 solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first is go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just search for Revolut, and then just open up the app, guys. And then from here you should be able to update the application when there is an update. And guys, for this solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And for the second solution, is just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. And then from here on the apps, just find Revolut. So guys, when you find the Revolut, just tap on it. And then from here, just go ahead and go to storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue on your Revolut app. For the third solution, is try reinstalling the application. So first, uninstall the app, and then once it is uninstalled on your application, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store and download the Revolut again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Revolut application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!